I'm going to the farmer's market later, so
Oh.
I gotta look good for the farmers, you know what I'm saying? Did you know you can get your makeup done at Sephora? They have a 30-minute, 60-minute, and 90-minute session. Let's get into it. For the 30-minute, I'm gonna get my brows done. Freeze gel, I have tried this one. Yeah, this one's good.
Yeah.
I definitely like a bushy brow.
Yeah.
I like that look.
You have beautiful brows. And then I'll let that dry a bit, and then I'll just fill it in a little more.
Nice. I like this one. This one's stunning.
So a little bit more.
Yeah,
Got
yeah.
it. Okay. I had a feeling, but you never know. You gotta ask.
The brows. Oh, what products did you use?
The Sephora Collection Retractable Brow Pencil in Granite. This is just a really good color for your brows.
Okay.
Nice and neutral. And then I used the Anastasia Brow Freeze Gel. This is actually like a newer launch, and so it really gives like a firm hold to your brows.
So now we're gonna do this 60-minute session. Give me that no makeup.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about your skin.
I'm combination. A little bit oily in the T-zone, dry around my perimeter. Yeah.
Okay. So we'll do a little bit of primer just to take down some of that shine, but I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize and get you all prepped.
Perfect.
I'm gonna use EyeBrow Project's Extreme Cream. This is an excellent cream really for anyone. Works really well under makeup, and so your makeup will really last. And it has such a good texture to it. The cushion of it feels really nice. They also make a lifting and firming one. If that is like a concern, you can do that. This has become like many makeup artists' absolute favorite.
The more you know.
Truly. Next, I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream. This one's really great just as a prep for under makeup. It does just a little bit of smoothing. It's nothing crazy, nothing too heavy. Don't need a lot. And the cool thing about eye cream is that you actually don't need to apply it like super close to your eye because the natural circulation around your eye kind of gets the eye cream where it needs to go.
Oh my God, I had no idea. That's a great tip. Oh, I love this stuff. Oh my gosh.
Okay, good. Okay, so you were familiar with this product. This is Danessa Myricks. She has the yummy skin. This is the glow serum. Have you ever used the blurring cream?
Oh, so good.
Oh my gosh, so
good. Yes.
Next up, let's do Patrick Ta. This is the Major Skin Hydra Luxe Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation. It is a really long name, but it's absolutely gorgeous on. And I think that this is gonna be your great match since we matched you over there.
Yes, perfect.
And I'm gonna use the number 56 brush. This is like a fan favorite. Everybody really loves it. And I like to
that
start
smells great.
wherever you would want the most foundation, basically. Dark spots, blemishes, whatever it is. I usually start there because you don't need a lot of makeup to make it look very polished.
Okay, so less is more. It really feels like skin.
It
like
does.
It feels, it's melting in my
I'm so glad you like it. I
yeah.
feel like this is looking absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just gonna give you a tiny bit of powder where you're gonna need it the most, and then we can always set everything after, but I like to just do a little bit at a time. Just using this Laura Mercier powder where I know I'm not gonna want to manipulate the makeup anymore. It's just gonna kind of stay in place. And I feel like a little bit goes a long way because I love a nice glow.
Me too.
Now let's do a tiny bit of concealer. I feel like you actually don't need a ton. I'm gonna use the Best Skin Ever Glow by Sephora, and I'm going to use the number 24 brush. This is actually not a typical brush that you would use for concealer, but I like it because it keeps things like really light and fluffy, so you don't need a ton of coverage. So tell me, do you like blush at all?
Yeah, love blush.
Yay! Yes. Okay, so we're gonna do a really nice new blush that's out. This one is Summer Fridays Blush Balm. This is in Berry Spritz. And then I also have this beautiful shade, and this is Dusty Rose. And I feel like both with
pretty. Yeah.
Dusty Rose might be it. What do you think?
I like Dusty Rose. I feel like I'd wear that one.
And just do a little stamping here. Again, doing kind of that stippling motion.
I love how that brush feels. Oh my gosh.
Right?
Yeah. It like hugs your cheek.
This is the number 79 brush. It's technically contouring, but it's a really lovely, like fluffy brush. So it really like diffuses the color beautifully. You have like a little bit of a lip balm on. Do you want to do more color for today, or what are you thinking of?
Maybe a liner to make the lips pop would be nice.
Oh, I would love that.
Yeah,
okay, and then we'll do a little bit of mascara, maybe a tiny bit of liner on your eye, and then it'll be like all set.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's do some mascara. So this is Love the Lift by Sephora Collection. Pretty, sometimes like to wiggle and pull through. Basically just to dispense the mascara right at the base and get it nice and thick in the ends, so it looks really like nice and natural. I'm gonna do a Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. This is just really great definition. Blend it out a little bit with a brush. This is just like a really kind of fresh lip color. Perfect for day. There are topicals on top.
Ooh, they feel hydrated. They feel
Really?
good.
It's nice and minty. It feels
Oh, that tastes so good. I love it. So cute. Okay, so now it's time for the 90-minute session. So I'm gonna go from natural, no makeup to fabulous flirty glam. So let's do it.
Let's see some inspiration. Do you have
Yes, I do. Thank you. I love this.
Oh, yes.
I like a smoky, a little cat eye moment, and like a fun nude brown glossy lip.
I love that. And gunmetal, so beautiful.
Yes. Okay, fun.
I have the perfect palette for you if you want to do that gunmetal with a little bit more definition.
Yes.
Let's do the Tartelette palette by Tarte.
Oh, stunning.
It has like all these beautiful colors. I feel like you can really get that gunmetal and
For
definition
sure.
with even just these two. So I'm just going in. Basically, I like to do like a light tap when I first apply, and then I'll blend it out. Just because I don't want it all sticking in one place, and I also don't want a lot of fallout. We didn't set underneath your eyes yet. Intentionally, in case there is fallout, we can fix that real quick. So we're gonna give you a little bit of definition just using some liquid eyeliner. This is in black, intense ink, 12-hour wear. It's gonna really stay put.
12 hours.
12 hours. The thing that I did with some of the shadow, just to make it easier, is really like mark out where you want to put the liner in the direction you want to go. It just makes it a lot easier to throw on. And then I just like to do it the tiniest line right against your lashes, almost so it's like in between your lashes. Beautiful.
Sorry. Intrusive thought one. I don't know why. The cat eye.
Just came out.
I love it. Just came out. Let's get some lashes.
Yeah, let's do lashes. I love it. So I picked ones that are really like nice and have like a good cat eye feel to them. So they're heavier on the outside. These are the weightless false lashes. Fluffed and full is the design. Perfect. Okay.
The lashes make such a difference. This just in, I'm obsessed with my makeup. Like, y'all see this? This is good. Come to Sephora, get your service now. I would steal so much of my mom's makeup. I just use her eye cream. I'd just be like, her Estee Lauder, be like, right. Can't get the wrinkles. Literally, I was like, I don't want to get old. Me at 7. They should not love opening little scissors. I cut all my hair off one time. It was bad. Yeah, this is Farmer's Market Fresh. It's Farmer's Market Fresh. Daily produce. It's me. I'm the juiciest peach. I love it.